Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to grow a Discord server to 1,000 members organically in 2026. So if you want real active members without fake bots or paid ads, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, choose a clear niche for your server. So gaming, AI, design, anime, coding, or study communities usually grow faster. Next, organize your server properly. I mean, create welcome channels, rules, announcements, and easy-to-use categories. So yeah, people join communities for value. Share useful content, resources, events, or support that members actually care about. Now stay active daily. Post updates, ask questions, and talk with members regularly to keep the community alive. So yeah, promote your Discord server on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Reddit, or Facebook groups. Short videos and clips work really well. Next, collaborate with other servers or creators in your niche. Shout-out exchanges can help both communities grow faster. So yeah, host events, game nights, Q&A sessions, or giveaways. These activities increase engagement and attract new members. Now reward active users with special roles, badges, or perks. This motivates people to stay active in your server. Finally, avoid fake members or spam invites. So organic growth takes longer, but it builds a stronger and more active community. And that's how to grow a Discord server to 1,000 members organically in 2026. Once you combine consistency, value, and promotion, your community can grow naturally over time. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more Discord growth tutorials.